that activity with the ball, the sphere, and the light source is a model, and a lot of space science activities are modeling, because either things take too long to see during a classroom day, or they're too far away, or they're places you just can't get to. And that's part of genuine science. This book, Planetary Scientist, is about a real scientist. He works at UC Berkeley, who looks at images from far off in space and then tries to make models that recreate the processes that form the features on the planets and moons that he looks at. And he also uses Earth as a model. Processes on Earth like volcanoes, erosions, upwelling spring water, as the Earth is a model for things that could be happening on other planets and moons. And then he is a model for people who are interested in what it's like to be a space scientist or a geologist.
So we have, in each Seeds of Science Roots of Reading unit, there's at least one book that profiles a real working scientist. And we did that purposefully to hopefully get kids inspired to maybe become scientists themselves one day, to get really interested in the field of science and to see science as a viable and interesting career path. So in the Planets and Moons unit, there's this book, Planetary Scientist, and there's also this book that has three different folks who study planets and moons: an astronaut, an engineer, and a space scientist. And so that's what we call the modeling textuals, showing students how science works, how scientists think, what kind of habits of mind do they have, how do they go about their work.